Hi guys, it's Ray back in the dungeon. I found something a little interesting I thought you guys might like to see. I had this set of camel hump heads come in to have valve lapped, new seals, clean paint, just a quick touch up. So I got notices. Now these heads were originally 194 intakes and 150 exhaust. Now someone's had these seats here. You see this seat? It's been cut out. Now this is a 160 valve. So they cut the seat bigger for a 160. You can see, sorry about that. You can see the seat here is all the way out down here. And yet you look inside, they didn't open the bowl up. So what's the point? Like honestly. Now on doing bowl work, what I like to do with them is take them to 90% of the valve size. So a 160 exhaust valve, the opening in the center on the inside of the bowl should be 1.44 inches. That's 90% of 160. Well, this is nowhere near that. Now I have my measuring tool here set for 144, and there's no way that tool's going in there. No way. And they're all the same. So what's the point of cutting out these holes, putting big valves in, and not finishing the job? If somebody spent all this money at the machine shop to have all these cut, new seats put in, new valves, new springs, the whole 9 yards, probably spent close to $700 or $800, maybe more, and they gained nothing. Nothing. All they did was spend their money. Now this is another set of 202 160 heads I have that I'm working on for my Camaro, and you can see this exhaust port here the bowls have been done. I can get this tool right inside that bowl, no problem. So that's cut to 90%. Same with this one, 90%, no problem. These ones, not even close. Not even close to getting in there. So these heads need some work. So I'm going to call this guy and see if he wants me to do some work on these or if he just wants to leave them. I'm hoping maybe he might sell them to me. Because they definitely need some love. And then you go to the intakes. They're the same deal. You can see on here, there's an uncut intake. And there's one that's been cleaned and cut. You can just look and see how much better the air is going to flow. Now you don't want to cut these too big. You want to have a little restriction in this bowl at the throat. That creates a velocity. You make the area smaller for the air to go through. It speeds it up. So you don't want to cut them 100%. 90 is about max. 85 is good. Some guys don't even go that far. Even just cleaning them up. But this is just a waste of money. So this guy needs to spend about $300 of my labor cleaning these up to make them what he wanted initially. Because right now he's got nothing more than what he had before he did the work on the valves and spent all the money. It's just because they got big valves doesn't mean they're good heads. Okay, guys, I just thought you might be interested in seeing that. We're getting there. Take care. Subscribe and like.